Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your Rakuten payment method. Whether you're switching credit cards, updating your bank info, or just want to keep things fresh for smoother shopping, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. Rakuten is a fantastic platform for deals and rewards, but ensuring your payment details are up to date can save you from any last-minute headaches. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Rakuten account. Open your web browser, head to the Rakuten website, and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, well, that's a video for another day. Sign up first. Once you're logged in, look for the Account or Profile section, usually found in the top right corner. Click on that, and then navigate to Settings or Payment Methods. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your current payment options, credit cards, debit cards, or even PayPal. Now, to update, simply select the payment method you want to change. Click on Edit or Update, and you'll be prompted to enter your new details. Make sure to double-check everything: card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Accuracy is key to avoid any transaction issues. After you've entered the new information, hit Save or Confirm. Rakuten might ask for a verification step, like a code sent to your email or phone, so keep an eye out for that. Once it's all set, you're good to go. A quick tip: if you run into any errors, like an invalid card, double-check your inputs or contact Rakuten support. They have great help resources. And remember, updating your payment method regularly keeps your account secure. There you have it. Updating your Rakuten payment method is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.